Yeah.
So are these king snakes native to Kentucky?
Yeah. You have to get a little more east of here, south.
That's awesome. I can never remember.
That's kind of the way everything is nowadays. You get out towards the gorge, eastern Kentucky, that's where you find a lot of stuff. In western Kentucky, it's pretty good too. But yeah, the king snakes are pretty much everywhere. I think their range just covers all of Kentucky.
Oh wow, yeah.
When I first met her, unexpectedly, oh, she came in humming softly through the breeze. Now I heard her name, oh, I heard her name, and I heard her name, whoa, Melody, Melody, Melody. Try to hold you close.
The water's never this high. We had some crazy rain the past 2 days and things out crazy. And the boils are really boiling. This is such a cool spring. Look.